Probability means possibility. It is a branch of mathematics that deals with the occurrence of a random event. The value is expressed from 0 to 1. Probability has been introduced in math to predict how likely events are to happen. The meaning of probability is basically the extent to which something is likely to happen. This is the basic probability theory, which is also used in probability distribution, where you will learn the possibility of outcomes for a random experiment. To find the probability of a single event to occur, first we should know the total number of possible outcomes. For example, when we toss a coin, either we get head or tail. There are only two possible outcomes. But if we toss two coins, there are actually three possible outcomes. It can be both head, both tail, or head and tail. The formula of probability is number of favorable outcomes divided by the total number of outcomes. Let's see some examples. Let's say there are 6 phones in a shop. 3 are iPhone, 2 are Realme, 1 is from Samsung. What is the probability of picking a Samsung phone? Let's use the formula. Number of favorable outcomes divided by total number of outcomes. In our case, it will be 1 divided by 6. Okay, now I think you have a clear idea about what exactly probability means. Let's see the types of probability. There are actually 3 major types of probabilities: theoretical probability, experimental probability, axiomatic probability. Let's discuss this about in another video. That's it about the concept. Thanks for watching.